Hello guys, in this video we will see how to save the select query output to a file in Windows environment. First type PSQL. Okay, this is the way to connect. Why? Because I have opened command prompt instead of PSQL shell. See, you go to PSQL shell and connect here. Provide the password. Go to bank database. I have one database. In this database I have table. So if I run query like select star from customer, see, we got the data. But when I try to save this data, like if I give like \o, that is output file, output1.txt, see, permission enabled. That's why we are going to connect PostgreSQL from the command prompt. Okay, so PSQL -u Postgres is the username. Hit enter. Provide the password of the Postgres user. Now I have database. See, bank, so switch to this bank database. Now give the output file name, just \o, then output underscore customer txt. Now run the query, select star from customer, put semicolon. Now again give the \o and hit enter. Okay, now if you go to username after school, see here we have the output customer.txt. Here also we have given the same name. Okay, if you exit, we are in the present directory, there it will be saved. See here, it is saved. The output, let me open the file, right click, open. See, we got the output. Even if you run the same query, PSQL -u, again connect -u Postgres select star from customer. See, we have 3 rows. In the output file also we got the same. See, whatever is there here, it is there. Okay, so this is the way to save the select query output from the PSQL client. But we can also save the output from the pgadmin. Okay, open pgadmin. If you have installed pgadmin, then there is a link in the video description. You can go through it and you can install it, pgadmin, on Windows operating systems. See, I have database back, right click, query tool, then on the query select star from customer. Select the query and click on this execute button. See here we got the output. Now if you want to save, you have to click on this download button. Click on it. Then you have to select the path and the type as. Okay, by default file format is CSV file. Okay, then click on save. It is saved. Go to there, see downloads. See here we have the data. Let me open it. Open. See, we got the data in rows and column format. Okay, so this is the way to save the SQL query output in a file on Windows environment. For more PostgreSQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.